The mocktail scene, that is, cocktails without alcohol, has exploded over the past few years. Gone are the days of a simple glass of juice, and here are the days of spirit alternatives that step up the flavor profiles and present a more finished drink. Our next guest knows this scene very well, as he created the Mocktail Club and has recently released a recipe book, so you can try them out at home with some friends. Welcome via Zoom to the mix, Derik Santiago. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. I love a tasty cocktail, and I'm interested in mocktails. How did you all get started with this and start this Mocktail Club?
Yeah, it started in 2022 when I decided to change my relationship with alcohol. And to get through that first week, I found myself needing something to drink, even though I didn't want to consume alcohol anymore. So that's when I leaned into creating cocktails without the alcohol, mocktails, basically.
And I think a lot of people are in that space, or I like how you address that, your relationship with alcohol. So dry January is a thing. A lot of people are going without this month. Is a mocktail recipe book has got to be a top seller this month. Talk about the rising interest in all these non-alcoholic cocktails.
Yeah, that's so right. So dry January, a lot of people take the opportunity to take a break from drinking, especially after the holidays when, a lot of alcohol is consumed. So dry January is the perfect opportunity to take a break and to get you through that month, or even if you're just taking a night off or a week off, mocktails can really help replace that alcoholic drink, and you can still participate in the ritual.
Yeah, it's still beautiful, beautifully finished cocktails. We're seeing some great videos right now of how gorgeous these drinks are. Doesn't look like anything I remember growing up in the Shirley Temples.
That's right. Yeah, I think with the spirit alternatives these days, we can really redefine what a mocktail is. They can no longer just be juices. You can use alternatives, make it really complex.
So I'm looking at the book right now, do I need a lot of like bartending knowledge, or do I have to, or mixology to get into this?
No, I made it really simple. So I've divided the book in different sections. So if you only have one spirit alternative, there's a ton of recipes that you can use. And then in terms of the bar tools, all you need is just a basic shaker and a jigger, a mason jar, and a shot glass will do too. So it's really simple. Doesn't need
Yeah,
to be.
this is stuff that you probably have laying around the house. But if you want to get the setup, if you want the full experience, you've got one. Let's kick us off. Make a mocktail for us to be our 1st of January. What do you got?
All right, so we're going to make a French kiss, which is a recipe in the book. So this is very timely. I know the next holiday is going to be Valentine's Day, so I'm just going to put 2 ounces of a gin alternative. I'm using this brand called Ritual. It's very juniper forward, and it has a little peppery finish that replaces that heat from the alcohol. To that, we will add half an ounce of grenadine. You can also find this in the grocery store, very easy. Half ounce of that. And then lime juice, half an ounce of lime juice too. So I highly recommend freshly squeezed lime juice, but if you don't have that and you only have those bottled ones, that's fine too. We want it to be easy. And then we'll just add some Peychaud style bitters. This is an alcohol-free bitter called All the Bitter, and this is the New Orleans style. So we're going to do 3 dashes of that. And then we'll add ice to our liquid. And then we will have our martini glass here, very fancy. And we will strain our mixture into the glass.
And it really has the big difference between mocktails of days gone by and today's really are those spirit alternatives.
Yes, it really makes a difference. It adds complexity to it. And then we will just finish this off with ginger ale, available in grocery stores. So that's what we want. We want it to be easy. And then we finish that off with a cherry. And there you have your French kiss.
Beautiful drink, just in time for Valentine's Day. Derik, thank you so much for the great information. And of course, this book. Where can we find this book?
Thank you. This is available now. It's releasing today on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, your favorite bookstore. Yeah.
Excellent. So anywhere your books are sold, just do a search for the Mocktail Club. There it is. The Mocktail Club is the name of the book. Classic recipes and new favorites without the booze. And of course, you can always follow them on social media as well. Mocktail Whiz on Instagram. We'll be right back.